It's your boy Jay Will back with another video. Today's video, I'm gonna show you guys the campaign I set up last night before I went out. Already making money, already in profit. Let's get it. Here we go on Microsoft. You can see today I spent $7.88. 2 unique clicks, 45 impressions. Let's go to the ads. As a peer review is where I got my 2 clicks and 34 impressions from. Cost per click, $3.94. Click-through rate, 5.88, our average. Let's go to our ClickBank account, sign in. Today is November 5th, Friday, as you can see. 118. It's appear. Canada, Ontario. So let's take 118 minus the $7.88 I spent. So let's just say $8. Profit 110 for the day. We can go to Click Magic and see what got us that sale today. Let's see. Okay, it's appear. One sale. It's appear reviews. What got us the sale? As you can see, Canada, same IP address. It was a $38 sale, and they had an upsell of $80, which gave us the 118. November 5th, 10 o'clock this morning. So as you guys can see, we are in profit for the day. If you want to know how I set this campaign up, just go look at my last video I posted last night, and you will see the exact setup for this campaign. We are already making money, already in profit, so I'm going to let this campaign run, continue to see how it does. But in the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram at JWillTV. You guys have a good night.